Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2014 ECE paper and which is held on 15th February morning session, and this question is related to the networks and it is related to star delta connection. For the circuit given below, what will be the largest value of arm when it is converted into delta form? And the circuit is shown is in the star form and it has to be converted into delta. Okay, and we know that one, this is, assume that one, this is going to be R1 and it is R2 and this is R3, and if you are going to making it is delta is nothing but you are making this form. So this is what the delta connection, and here again you are going with this one. So this is corresponding delta connection. By that time, what is the largest value of arm possible? This is a question asked, and whenever we are going to get, okay, always if you are going for the R1, at that time opposite can be written in this way. Okay, so over here you can write the equation as in this: R2 plus R3 plus R2 R3 divided by R1. Okay, and if you are going for the R2 opposite, at that time R2 opposite is nothing but R1 and R3, so add those three things, R1 plus R3 into R1 R3 divided by R2, and similarly you can write it for this one, that is nothing but it is R1 R2, so R1 plus R2 plus R1 R2 divided by R3. So if you are looking at these equations, always we can get one simple thing is nothing but whichever is going to be the branch in the star, whichever is going to be having the least resistance, that will be giving the highest arm possible. Whichever is going to be having the least resistance in the star form, that will be giving the highest form in the delta. Look at this one, 10 for example. By that time this 10, if you are going to be assuming, at that time the 10 will appear over here, it is in the denominator which is small, so that the other two things are going to be larger than this one and denominator is going to be smaller, and this form is going to be the largest possible. So based on that one, if you calculate, this is what you will get. So these are the possible things, and for this 10 it is going to be around 32, and for this 10 it is 32 ohms. It is 11 ohms. 11 ohms in the star branch is going to be giving the lesser resistance compared to the other branches, that is 29 ohms. So the largest possible arm is going to be having, the answer is 32 ohms. Answer for this one is nothing but 32 ohms. 32 ohms is the answer. Okay, thank you.